Racing just is started. We have Legionnaire break quick. Let us start Archer Queen in the middle portion. Now is Colonial Star, and on the outside now is Pills and Potion. Then next online is Tawa Tawa. A silver screen comes next, and going along for the first turn we have Colonial Star, Legionnaire, and in third comes Archer Queen. Tawa Tawa is down in fourth, and in fifth silver screen Magdapio comes next. Babes Magic second last, while Pills and Potion now racing in last. Back to the little, we have Colonial Star by about 2 lengths, and in second Legionnaire moving up on the that is Tawa Tawa. Running by the release Archer Queen. Babes Magic is down in fifth. The next online silver screen Pills and Potion second last, while Magdapio now racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Colonial Star enjoying a length lead. Legionnaire finds some opening down on the inside. Archer Queen comes next. Babes Magic is running by the rail. Tawa Tawa with about 150 meters more to run. Colonial Star moving up in the middle portion is Babes Magic, and now says it's my turn to take the lead and final. Babes Magic, Archer Queen, then comes Colonial Star, Legionnaire, Tawa Tawa.
Okay, mga karerista, para dito sa ating race number 9, biglang subungaw. Numero 8, Babes Magic natin. At masisegundo dyan, numero 4, at Archer Queen. Numero 3, Colonial Star. At numero 1, Legionnaire. 8-4-3-1 po ang ating